What's up guys, Louis here. Today we are talking about those tasks that you just don't want to do. You just hate them. They suck. You don't want to do them, but they keep coming up because they're really important for your business. So how do we attack those tasks? How do we stop ourselves from putting them off? Well, that's what we're going to break down. But before all that, if you haven't been here before, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. That would mean the world to me. Okay, so how do we do this? I used to have a problem with this until I learned this technique, that the kind of big tasks that were kind of looming in the background, not the ones that were like hitting you in the face like you need to get this done now, because typically we get those ones, right? The ones that have like tight deadlines, the ones that we're like, oh my gosh, this better get done now or I'm toast. We do those, CMAs, inspection objections, writing offers, all that stuff. We do all that really quickly because we have to. But as realtors, we have things that we do in our business that we just don't want to do. Okay, how do I set up that YouTube channel? What about Facebook ads? I need to kind of attack these big things that just like seem like too much to attack. So the technique that I learned and I use is called the domino. And what this does is really like, if you think about a row of dominoes, it's taking this big one thing and just knocking it over so that it starts to put other things into your business into place and things just keep on moving. So what I do with tasks like that, so let's take for instance, starting a YouTube channel. I'm not just going to have that as one task to do. Like be like, okay, I'm starting a YouTube channel today. I'm going to get it all done right now because again, it's too much to do. And with our business in real estate, you know how many different inputs are coming at you all day, every day. So focusing on one task is really, really hard to do. So I like to break these things down into 4 different things. So let's talk about starting a YouTube channel. What do we actually need to achieve to do that? Number 1, we have to actually make the channel. So you log into your Google, you log into YouTube, and you make the channel. You call it whatever you're going to call it, and then that's it. You put a description, you put a couple things. If you've never actually done that before, reach out. I'll show you exactly how to do it, or just copy mine. Second thing we're going to need to do is think about the content that we're going to put into this channel. What's it going to be about? Is it buying and selling in certain neighborhoods? Is it living in Denver or wherever it is that you are? Like, what's the actual channel going to be focused on? That's your second big task, researching who your competition is and what you should be doing to break through that barrier. Number 3 is a big one, but it's learning actually how to use YouTube effectively. Not just putting out videos for the sake of putting it out, but how to effectively do it. In our group, we teach our agents exactly how to do this. My business partner, Mike Sherrard, is an expert on this, and we do this all the time. But you can also purchase his Social Agent Academy, which will show you step by step exactly how to set this up. But our business partners, everyone in our group gets that for free. But setting up the actual YouTube channel and learning how to optimize videos is a really big one. And the last one is going to be film your first video and upload it, okay? So now you have 4 things, okay? Instead of one, start a YouTube channel, which is just way too big a concept. How are we going to like sit down and get all this done in one day? Doesn't make sense. We've now broken it into 4 things. 1, actually start your YouTube channel. 2, think about the content that you want to put on there to break through to your potential clients. 3, learn the process of how to film, how to upload, how to optimize these videos. And then 4, take action and make your first video. So now we've broken it into 4 things. That seems like a lot less than just the one concept of start a YouTube channel. Now, what I'll do now is break this into the week. So I've got 5 days in my week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll just take one of those tasks and put 1 on each day, or maybe 2 on each day. And if you haven't seen the Power List video that we've done before, I'll put a link to it somewhere around here, and it will show you exactly how to break down goals and then break down your week like that inside of the Power List. But that's how I do it. I'll take a big concept and I'll break it down into bite-sized chunks and then go from there. And of course, YouTube is just one thing. This could be any number of big looming tasks that we have a fear about, getting your finances sorted out, running ads, starting a team. Like, there's a bunch of different things that are looming in the background where you should be doing it in your business, but it just seems like too big of a task to take on right now. Break them up, break them all down. It doesn't have to be 4. I like doing 4, but you could take that task and break it down into like 10 things and just little small things that is going to get you towards the goal. Then you just want to put a deadline on it. Like, okay, in 2 weeks time, I'm going to have all these things checked off. Okay. I like doing it in 4 things because I know I can get it done that week. Okay. And that's how we don't put those tasks off again. So instead of being like, oh man, okay, I'll do it next quarter, or I'll do it in a couple months or whatever, I just sit it down. I'm like, I'm going to break this up, and by the end of the week, I'll have this done. Okay. Now, the one key in picking these things again is to pick things that are going to be important for your business, but not like life and death. Okay. It's not like if I don't do this, my business is going to collapse this week. Okay. Those are the things you want to make sure you're attacking right now and then. But if it's something that is going to help your business in the long run, but isn't super vital, that's the things that you want to be attacking and break them down. Okay. So I hope this helps. It's called the domino effect. This was tremendously helped my business grow in the past couple of years, because if you think about these things, I'll get one of these tasks done every single week. You got 52 weeks in a year. That's 52 major things you just overcame, and times that by 2, 5, 10. Now your business is on that upward trajectory where everyone else is still like, oh, I don't know. I know I need to make a YouTube channel, but I just haven't had time. Come on, drop the excuses, figure out how to do this and get it done. So that's how I do it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, drop them below. I will help out wherever I can with you guys. I'm always trying to drop videos that are going to help you grow your business and that helped actually grow my business. So I'm not talking theory here. I'm talking things that actually helped my business explode, and this is one of them. So I'll be back again. Subscribe if you haven't before, and I'll talk to you soon.